Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kalyan and I'm the faculty of mathematics in different schools. Okay, leave it. So now, anyways, from last three videos we are uploading the topics, videos on the topics of geometry, and in last video we uploaded the types of angles and linear pair and its theorems. Now, based on those theorems, now we are going to do the exercise in present video. Okay. In this video, these are the four problems based on the linear pair of angles. Some proofs we need to do here. Okay. So let us see what how we have to do here. And one more thing, if you haven't subscribed my channel, now it's immediately you subscribe that, so that we can say you can get our all updates to your mobile and share it among your friends and like. Okay, thank you. So now let us start this problem based on this linear pair and straight angles. As you see, OA and OB are opposite rays and angle AOC equal plus angle BOD equal to 90 degrees. Angle AOC plus angle BOD equal to 90 degrees. Then find out angle COD. Actually, which angles are given and we need to find which of the angles we have to identify in the diagram. So identify that first. See here, in this, okay, OA and OB are opposite rays. Which are OA and OB? Here OA and this is OB, which are oppositely directed. Next, angle AOC plus angle BOD equal to 90 degrees. Which is angle AOC here? This is angle AOC and this is angle BOD. Means sum of these two angles, means this green colored angles, is 90 degrees. Then we need to find out angle COD. Which is COD? This one. Okay. So we need to find this angle, that is how much. So whatever, I want to ask you one thing. Here these are oppositely directed rays. This is O, this is A, this is OA and this is OB. When these two are oppositely directed rays, then we don't need to consider these two are the two separate rays. We can consider this entire part as one straight line, as we discussed in the previous video. Okay, so see here, this is OA and OB, we don't need to consider. This is AB straight line. When it is a straight line, on every point on of the straight line, the angle made would be 180 degrees or not, which is called straight angle. So now, what can we say here? Here this total angle will be 180 degrees or not? This total angle will be 180 degrees. So let us do that first and we see what happens. Okay. See this. Now, what we have to do? Angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle DOB. So, I am writing the solution. See here, angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle DOB equal to 180 degrees. Once again, I am showing on the figure. This is angle AOC, which is this one, and angle COD, that is this one, that means this angle, and angle DOB, DOB means this one, like this. Summing all those, you get 180. Okay, now replace the angles, just see. Just wait. Okay, now tell me, if you replace the angles AOC, just rearrange. Here angle DOB you write first, then next angle COD equal to 180 degrees. Now tell me, what is the value of this together? This together, that is angle AOC plus angle DOB. DOB means BOD itself. No? We can write this as BOD or DOB, that it gives the same meaning. So here these two sum will be equal to 90 degrees. So can we put here 90 degrees or not? This is 90 plus angle COD equal to 180 degrees. From this, if you replace this 90 degrees to other side of the equation, then what happens? Angle COD equal to 180 degrees minus of 90 degrees. Then 180 minus 90 would be how much? 90. Now tell me guys, is this asked to find or not? See, we need to find out COD, where the value of COD we obtained as 90 degrees. That means here COD, the angle between OC and OD would be 90 degrees. Got it? When we represent with the square mark, it means it is 90 degrees of angle, right angle. Got it? So we got an answer. The next one. This question is over. I think I hope you would understand this. Next, let us go for solving second one. Now what is asked to find? Just see and observe. See here, OP bar bisects angle BOC. See here, OP means which ray? This one. OP. I am showing you with the pen. This is OP. Is bisecting angle BOC. This is bisected. That means these two angles are same. Okay, next. OQ bisects AOC. OQ is this one. Okay, which is bisecting AOC, means this angle and this angle are same. That means if this angle is x, this angle also will be x. Similarly, since it is bisecting here, if this angle is y, this is also y. Anyways, in the absence of these three rays, OQ, OC, OP, imagine these three are not there. Then is it a straight line or not? AB is a straight line and O is a point on it. In the absence of these three, you imagine that these three are not there. Then point A is O is a point on AB. Then definitely this O will make 180 degrees because it will make a straight angle on the straight line. Every point on a straight line will make a straight angle which is 180 degrees. Okay, so now just see here. So then this 180 degrees is split into four parts. On summing all them, means on adding all them, you get 180 equal to 180 degrees. So how can you write this? Just see here as a solution part. Just see here, angle AOQ plus angle QOC plus angle COP plus angle POB. Means this and this and this and this. Sum of all these angles is 180 degrees. So write it down. So angle AOQ plus angle QOC plus angle COP plus angle POB, which I said now. Sum of all these would be 180 degrees because all the splitted parts are added together to obtain once again straight angle. Now tell me here, what is AOQ? Tell me AOQ. Is it x or not? Put it here, x degrees. X degrees. Okay. Now QOC again. QOC again how much? X degrees. And COP again. COP means this is y degrees. And POB, that is again y degrees, which is equal to 180 on total. Now tell me x will be added twice and y is added twice. So we can write it as x2x plus 2y degrees, which is equal to 180. We can take common 2 and we can rewrite this as x plus y times of 2 equal to 180 degrees. If you send this 2 to another side, then it will divide. Okay, x degrees plus y degrees equal to 180 degrees by 2, which is equal to 90 degrees. Now, when you obtain this result, just hold and observe. So, x plus y is representing what? See, is it x or not? And is this y or not? Means this angle and this angle, if you make the sum, means this total angle you find. Okay, you got here x plus y value means here x plus y value is nothing but QOP or POQ. Got it or not? Is this POQ or not? So x plus y means this is angle POQ equal to how much? 90 degrees. Tell me guys, we are also asked to find angle POQ or not? So we got the answer. So what is the value of angle POQ? 90 degrees. That means here, what is the angle made between these two? 90 degrees. Okay, like this we have to do this problem. And moreover, I'm going very slowly considering the students who are poor at maths background. So even if you have practiced once or twice, you can do on a fingertips. Okay, you don't need to do this much procedure also. You have to just go with the go very fast with the answers. It's a very simple ones. Okay. Now let us go with another problem. Just see. OE bisects angle AOB and OF is a ray opposite to OE. First of all, see here, OE is bisecting OE means this one. OE means this one is bisecting. Okay, angle AOB means this entire angle is bisected by the ray OE. And OF is a ray opposite to OE. This is OE. Exactly oppositely directed ray is OF. That's what. Now I am telling you in the beginning only, if OE and OF are oppositely directed rays, then we don't need to consider them as the separate rays. This entire EF or FE is can be considered as a straight line. Why? Because they are oppositely directed at same vertex. Okay. So here this and here this can be considered together as a straight line. Okay. First thing is that. Now as we said that OE bisects AOB. OE means this one bisects this entire angle, means this angles are bisected. If suppose this is x degrees, this is also x degrees. So that means those two angles are equal. Okay. Now only I said that. Here just see. Here this is a straight line I said. This is FE and O is a point on it. Since these two rays are oppositely directed, we can consider this entire part as a straight line. Single straight line. So now here tell me, this entire angle would be 180 degrees or not, or else this part is entirely 180 degrees or not. So this is split into two. That means sum of these two would be linear pair, because these two are adjacent and these two are supplementary also. So is it a linear pair or not? So it's a linear pair. So what is the condition for linear pair? The angle should be adjacent as well as supplementary. So therefore, since these two angles, so see here, this angle and this angle are linear pair. See here, solution I am writing. So since those are linear pair, which one? Angle FOB and BOE. Angle FOB plus angle BOE equal to 180 degrees. Why it is 180 degrees here? Why? Because we only said that this is linear pair. This and this angle is representing a linear pair. Got it? Now tell me. Here BOE value means which one? BOE means this x only, no? BOE means this angle which is equal to x we took. Okay. So now angle FOB equal to 180. BOE becomes minus, which is equivalent to x. Okay, minus x. And value of BOE would be x degrees we took. Okay. Now let this be condition 1. And similarly we can write what? Here the downside of the straight line also. See here. These two are also linear pair or not? These two are also representing linear pair. So that means here we can write like angle FOA plus angle AOE. These two are also equal to what? 180 degrees. Sum of these two also 180 degrees. Let me write that. Okay, see here. Angle FOA and angle AOE. Angle FOA plus angle AOE equal to 180 degrees. Now tell me again, what is angle AOE? Is it x degrees or not? We can put here x degrees and we can replace this to another side, then it becomes minus. So angle FOA equal to 180 degrees minus AOE, where AOE value is x degrees. So minus x degrees. So this is condition 2. If you compare 1 and 2 conditions, means this condition and this condition. Okay, what happened here? Angle FOB value equal to 180 minus x. Angle FOA value equal to 180 minus x. Means RHS parts are becoming same. So therefore, what can we say? LHS parts are also same or not? Means angle FOB equal to angle FOA. Tell me guys, is it a required answer or not? They are asking to show this result only, no? Angle FOB equal to angle FOA. That means what? In the picture, it is these two angles also equal. That's all. I think you understood this also. Now let us move on to next problem, which is going to be last one for this video. Right? So just see here what we are going to do solution once again. See this guys. Here it looks like a clumsy figure, like bus, but it is so simple. Okay. See this here. Okay. line xy and mn intersects at O. See this here, line xy, this is xy, and line mn intersects at O. This is a point O, right? Okay. Angle, if angle POY equal to 90 degrees, POY, this is 90 degrees. Angle POY equal to 90 degrees, and A is to be equal to 2:3. Which are A is to be? This angle and this angle. Our ratio of these two angles would be 2:3. Then find C. C means what? Here this green colored angle. We need to find it. How to find it out? Just see. I am asking you just one question. When we draw the perpendicular to a straight line, see, since this is a oppositely directed rays, this is straight line. So if this is making 90 degrees, on other side also it will make 90 degrees only. Why? Because, okay, this entire part is 180. When one of them is 90, the rest of the portion will be obviously 90 degrees. 180 minus 90. Okay. So here, what can we say? Means angle XOP also is 90 or not? Just let me show here in the diagram. Here, this is also 90 degrees. Okay, means this total angle is also equal to 90 degrees. Means sum of the angles A and B is also 90 degrees. Got it? Taking this as a hint, we can find out all values. Like how? Just see here. Let me explain you. Here, A is to B is given as how much, guys? 2:3. Now, A would be how much? If you consider x as a ratio constant, A would be equal to 2x and B would be equal to 3x. Right? Now, tell me what I said. Here, this XOP is also 90 degrees because it is making, on other side also it's making 90 degrees. So, here, means this angle total means sum of the angles A and B. Sum of the angles A and B is equal to what? 90 degrees or not? So, A plus B equal to 90 degrees. What is the value of A? 2x. And what is the value of B? 3x will be equal to 90. 2x plus 3x is 5x, right? So, here 5x which is equal to 90. So, whenever you take 5 to other side, okay, 90 by 5 which is equal to what? 18 times or not? 18 degrees. So x would be equal to how much? X equal to 18 degrees. From that, what can you find? Values of A and B or not? What is value of A? Again, value of A would be here A equal to 2 times of x. 2 times of x value would be 18, which is equal to 36 degrees, and 3 times of x would be B, that would be 3 times of 18, which is 54. Or on the other hand, we can say that sum of those two is 90. If one is 36, obviously 90 minus 36 will be another angle. You can, like that also you can think. Okay, it's not an issue. So here 36 and 54. So from this, what is clear, guys? See, this is 90. Okay, I'm just dropping here. See, this is A. A is equal to how much? This is 36 degrees. A is 36 and B is how much? 54 degrees. The values obtained such. Now just try to observe. My question is, the value of A is 36 and this angle would be 90. This entire this angle would be how much? 36 plus 90 or not? 36 plus 90 would be how much, guys? 36 plus 90. How much is this? 126 or not? Means this entire angle is 126 degrees. Just see here. If you carefully observe Mn and xy, I am just plotting separately here. Sorry, Mn and xy. See, Mn and xy will be like this or not? See this, these two are representing what type of angles? Vertically opposite angles or not? Since these two are vertically opposite angles are equal in measurement or not? So definitely those two are equal. So from this, what can we say? Here this angle as well as this angle C are equal or not? Definitely equal. So here because of C equal to here this total angle, or else we can write angle XON, angle XON equal to angle MOY. This is M, this is O, this is Y, this is X, this is N. That only is given, no? I am separately showing here. Okay, now tell me here XON equal to what? MOY. Now tell me guys, what is the angle XYN? XYN is nothing but C, which is required. XYN is C. So therefore this is C. MOY, how much it is MOY? Here this is 36 plus this is 90. Overall it is 126. So value of C would be 126. Thus we can find the angle C in this diagram. So for doing this problem, what types of angles did we use? See here, we used here first of all linear pair we used, and then after vertically opposite pair also we used for finding the answer. So that means we have to use somewhere we have to use vertically opposite angles, somewhere we need to use linear pair of angles. Like that we have to in a mixed manner of different properties we have to solve the problems. Understood or not? As a beginners, these problems might be somehow difficult for the students, but as you are moving forward into the lesson, into the deeper layers of it, these things are very little ones, very small problems are these all. So that means you have to improve your awareness, you have to increase your awareness and improve your skills in the geometry, so that we can get a lot of advancement as we are moving into the deeper layers of geometry. So I hope you would have understood these four problems, that how to solve the problems based upon linear pair and vertically opposite angles and straight angles. Got it? So this is the smallest exercise. In our next video also we are going to come up with some another exercise on the same linear pair, because we have to solve at least one or two exercises to understand completely linear pair in better levels. So anyways guys, I think you would have enjoyed this concept. If you really like this concept, then here subscribe to the channel and share it among your friends and like it. Okay, if you okay and like it, thank you. It very thick and